Friends, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for your support. Today's lesson is about a third-party WebDriver implementation in JavaScript, which is called webdriverIO. Like I have mentioned in my Selenium WebDriver architecture, any third-party client library can send HTTP calls using JSON wire protocol to Selenium server can drive the browser. So here in our scenario, webdriverIO is the third-party library which can send HTTP calls through JSON wire protocol uh, to Selenium server. Selenium server can drive the real browser. So remember this: webdriverIO is client library, and whatever Selenium developers provided this JSON wire protocol, using that it is developed. So that means whenever we are running webdriverIO client library, it will run JSON wire through JSON wire protocol. It will send HTTP calls to Selenium server. That's it for theory. Let's go to the project and let's create a project and run command. First, we need to create a directory. I'll create a directory test. So cd into test. So I will create my package JSON file. You know why we need package JSON file in Node world. Any dependency we want to download, and we need to mention that dependency in package JSON file. So in order to create my package JSON file, using npm init, it will start creating package JSON file for me. So if I see ls-lj, I can see package JSON file. Now let's see what is WebDriverIO. Like I explained, it's a Selenium JSON wire protocol implementation, third-party library, so it can drive browser. So if we see what they are saying, the same thing, WebDriverIO lets you control a browser or a mobile application with few lines of code. That is what saying, and there is a test runner includes in with that one. You can write synchronous, asynchronous code. Okay, and it will manage Selenium session for you. That's good. So you no need to create manually the Selenium server session. So that will manage for us. What else? Okay, all these things we can discuss later. It will give a test runner for us, so we can run drive the browser using this test runner. So that's all for theory. Let's go to the developer guide. Let's see how to use WebDriverIO. So they are mentioning, so in order to run drive browser, we need to create a driver. So in Java world, we take the Selenium dependencies and we create a driver out of it. But here, this is a JavaScript world, so we require this module, WebDriverIO module, and we are creating WebDriver here. And we are telling what are the desired capabilities we need. So we are putting that as our options. And we are creating a client. Client means driver. Driver equal to webdriverIO.remote and options. Let's go and play with it. So I am installing webdriverIO. Sorry. npm install webdriverIO -save dev. So I just need one dependency. Cool, it's downloaded for me. It's 4.12.0 version, latest, good. So now I'm creating a one JS file that is also test.js. Okay, here I am creating a variable called webdriverIO equal to require what we need webdriverIO. So we are getting the dependency, WebDriverIO dependency, in order to create WebDriverIO driver. So like they said, we need options. Why we need options? We need to create an object of desired capabilities. There are also an object. In that object you can tell browser. What browser we need? We need Chrome. Is that what they're saying? Okay, browser name equal to Chrome. Okay, let's do it. So browser name. That caps cap. Yes, cap. So now we have options. Let's go. Okay, now we can create a client. No. Use driver for like a Java style. Driver equal to webdriverIO dot remote is a Selenium server because we are connecting to a remote and using options. So that will create a driver for us. Now we can use the driver to first you need to initialize it. So it's like a new driver in Java world. So it's creating. Once you initialize it, URL is like a get URL in Java site. So go to a website, something called bbc.co.uk. There, get title. Get title. Once you get the title, let's do it bit by bit. We initialized it. We navigate to an URL and we got the title. Then in Java node world we need to use this chaining in order to continue the navigation. So then we can give a function of something. What is coming? Title coming here. So title, what we can do, console log of that hello website title is, let's give the title. So that's it, and once you finish it, end. Okay, that's all. Save this file. So ls-l, yeah. So we have a package.json file, only one module there, which is WebDriver. So we are getting that WebDriver, and we created our JavaScript file. So this part is ready. Client library is ready now. The code we have written. Using client library, we have written a code to drive the browser. What we are telling, we created a program to, using real browser, go to a BBC website, get the title and print it here. So what is missing for us? So Chrome driver, first of all, you need to download Selenium Server. You need to download Chrome driver or Gecko driver, whatever the browser you want to use, download those drivers and put them in the path. If it is Windows, you can set it in environment variables where these drivers are available. I have already set up. So by internally they will be available. Suppose for example, once they are set in the path, if you type Chrome driver, something like this, see my Chrome driver is started. Same thing, when you set up the environment variable, it should drive your driver. So driver should be available for the Selenium server. So Selenium server should be started with driver, any browser driver, then only the browser will work. If you have any doubts, go to the Selenium architecture of my video, you will get that information. So now we need to start Selenium server along with a browser driver. How can we do that? Java-jar, and I have downloaded drivers somewhere. Let's go downloads. Oh, no, I think they are available on desktop. Drivers, Gecko driver, no, Selenium bold jars. I have latest version is there. I can use this. Okay, I'm starting my Selenium server, and you already seen the Chrome driver already available in path. So once I started my Selenium standalone, so my Chrome driver is in path, so it's automatically connects. So Selenium server started. Cool. So now if you go back to our client library, code is available, Selenium server available, and browser driver is available in path. I need to run the real driver. Let's see how it runs. Let's run how to run a JavaScript file in node test.js. Okay, browser open, visited BBC site and printed hello website, title equal to BBC. What the hell? What is that language, man? Don't give this hello nonsense. Website title equals, give some. Okay, let's save it and run it one more time. Yep, cool. Browser open, bbc.co.uk, done. Oh, you can do few other things as well before ending the session. Let's no, that's all I want to do for this session. So you have seen that using webdriverIO third-party library, you can create a driver. So using remote is the Selenium server. So I'm creating a remote WebDriver like Java with options. What options? I have desired capabilities of Chrome, so I'm using that. Let's have a fun. Let's change it to Firefox. Like I said, my Gecko driver is already available in path, so that's why I'm not using the Gecko driver. So I'm saving. Let's run same thing on Firefox. Yep, you can see that Firefox is open, running the test. My internet is a little bit slow, so please excuse. If your internet is fast enough, it will do. So website title is BBC home. Cool. So let me run it on Safari as well. Just for a testing purpose, that's all. Yeah, it's open, done. So this is very easy, very quick and fast. So WebdriverIO is the fastest browser WebDriver client library I have ever seen. Very good one. So in our next session, we can take the WebdriverIO test runner and we can create some configuration file, and we can do a lot of things using WebdriverIO. WebdriverIO has a capability, can run Cucumber, it can run Mocha test runners in it. It will do a lot of things. So let's see in the next sessions what all we can do with WebdriverIO.